Welcome back to Whisperwood Tales, a quiet place where soft lights drift through the trees and gentle stories help you unwind and rest. Find a cozy spot, take a slow breath in, and let the day melt away as we step once again into the calm, peaceful forest of Whisperwood. As dusk settled over Whisperwood Forest, a warm lavender glow drifted between the trees. It was Lumo, the little golden firefly, beginning his nightly adventure. The air was calm, the forest peaceful, and every leaf shimmered with moonlit dew. Lumo fluttered forward, his light glowing softly, not too bright, not too dim, just gentle enough to guide him through the quiet trees. Lumo heard a familiar sound ahead, a light trickle, the whispering song of the gentle stream. He floated closer, happy to see the water glimmering like silver silk under the rising moon. At the water's edge stood two deer, one tall and graceful, the other smaller and curious. The small deer stepped forward and said in a whisper, "Hello, little light. Are you exploring again tonight?" Lumo smiled with his glow. "I like visiting the stream," he said softly. "It feels peaceful." The tall deer nodded. "It's our favourite place too." But tonight the smaller deer seemed unsure. They gently tapped a hoof on the ground. "Sometimes," the little deer said, "the forest feels big. I like big, but it feels too big." Lumo drifted closer, warming the air with a cozy glow. "That's why it helps to explore together," he said. "Big places feel smaller with friends." The little deer relaxed, and Lumo's gentle light brightened the soft clearing. They walked behind the stream together. Lumo floated above the ripples, watching his own glow shimmer across the water. The deer stepped carefully alongside him. Their hooves made tiny splashes, little rings rippling outward into moonlight. The forest night chorus began its slow lullaby. A breeze drifted through the trees. Fireflies blinked softly in the distance, and somewhere far off an owl hooted gently. The little deer sighed happily. "I think the forest feels a little smaller tonight," they whispered. "And a little friendlier," the tall deer added. Lumo glowed warmly. "That's what friends are for." They stayed together until the moon rose high. No rush, no hurry, just gentle company in a gentle place. And as the night deepened, Lumo felt something new inside. A tiny spark of belonging. A feeling he hoped he'd find again tomorrow night. Relax, sit back, and slowly fall to sleep. We'll see you soon for another story from Whisperwood Tales.